Good morning, everyone. This is the login page of our portal. To log in, enter your username and password. I am logging here as a counselor. This is the home page where at the top your counselor name displayed as like mine. Left hand side shows menu items and another side shows data screen. I'll show you how to create an inquiry of student. Click on center, student inquiry, and then create inquiry. Once you'll click on create inquiry, you'll get this data screen. Here you have to ensure your center name appears. Now you'll see various tabs like basic details, professional information, guardian information, current address, permanent address, lastly inquiry details. I'll go back to basic details. Please note all the star marked fields like this are mandatory to enter. So let's fill up an inquiry of one student. Select gender. Enter first name Priyanka. Enter the last name Verma. Select student's date of birth. As 6th February 1991. You'll see this age field get calculated automatically. Now we'll move on to ICI registration number. Mention it as 12567. XRO number can be left blank. Now we'll get two fields, skip aptitude test and is corporate. These can be leave as it is. Now we'll move on to email ID. This field is very important, so please ensure you enter it correctly. As we'll mention priya.156@gmail.com. Now we'll move on to contact number. This is mandatory and required for future follow-ups. 9810104563. Let's move to professional information. These are the mandatory fields, and here you get a drop-down list to select an option. For qualification, I'll select BCom, occupation as CA student, stream commerce. Preferred career is optional. I'll select chartered accountant. Now let's move on to guardian information. Guardian name Rakesh Verma. His occupation Rest all the details are optional. If student wish to enter, then you can, else leave it blank. Now we'll move on to current address. This is important and required for future communication. 104 Sunrise Apartments, Park and Colony. Select country, select state, select city. PIN code and area codes are optional but prefer to enter. Now we'll move on to permanent address. If address or current address of student is same, then simply click on this button. The system will fetch the details automatically. Now lastly, we'll move on to enquiry details. Here, select a type of inquiry. That could be telecalling, direct, LMS, telephonic, walk-in and word of mouth. I'll select walk-in. Enquiry date is a system date displayed automatically. Course name. Select course name for which student has inquired. Many times it can possible as student inquired about multiple courses. In that case, select first subject, then press Ctrl key and click on another subject. Now release the key. Now we'll select a source which says how come student know about us. As I'll select advertisement. Inquiry description field. This is a field where you can write your comments or any other additional informations, like I'll mention student prefers morning batches and so on. Then your counselor name get displayed. Lastly, after mentioning all the details, click on submit. A confirmation message comes by which system validates the email ID of a student whether it is correct or not. If the ID is correct, as we have priya.156@gmail.com, then click on OK, else click on cancel to edit it. I'll click OK. Again a message comes, you won't be able to edit the details later. Continue. If you wish to edit the details now, you can click on cancel, else click on OK to submit the details. After saving all the details, a reference inquiry number generated automatically, which shows here. This number is required for future references. This is all about inquiry. I hope you understand the process. If not, then get back to the video again. Thank you.